Well, if China really believes and concerned about peace and stability in the region, they should abide by the international law. They should also respect the sovereignty of each country. We are not. The Philippines is no one's chess piece. We are an independent country. So kung ano man po ang ating gagawin, kung ano man po ang ating magiging proyekto patungkol sa ating military operations, ito po naman ay nasa atin na po. Wala pong pwedeng makialam dito. Tayo po ay independent at walang dapat pang himasok sa anuman po na desisyon ng ating pamahalaan.